Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to move paragraph away from margins in MS Word document. So friends, as we can see, we have this paragraph, and if you want to move this paragraph away from margins, only this specific, so just select, then click on this icon in Home tab, increase indent. So now as we can see, this specific paragraph is away from margins. Just select that paragraph or content which you want to move from margins, and if you want to decrease and you want to set, so click here. So this icon is for decrease and this icon for increase. So we can see we have this space, and this paragraph is away from this margin. That's it. So hopefully friends, you like this video. By this quick method we can know how to move paragraph away from margins in MS Word document. Thanks for watching.